Said, oh, you know it was. I need it up. I'm over here today. Oh, yes, I want to get it up. Oh, yes, I cut it up. Oh, yes, I cut it up. I put the people in the comment in the chat like what? I'm going on up. Oh, yes, I'm getting up. Some people telling me that Jada, do you cut it up? Oh, yes, I get it up. Oh, yes, I cut it up. Some people saying that Jada, do you know what's up? If I want to take a name, I spend some night today. People telling me to send it, Jay, so what you say? I'm saying everything, I'm saying things that's on my mind. I'm up on my mind, and I say I'm in my prime. I said I have some surgery, but it will not stop me. But still, I'm over here, I'm hanging out in these streets. Or when I say the street, I mean I'm up and in my house. But still, I'm on the lobby, and I'm about to shout you out. I'm sitting hashtag Bubba showing love to the J. The destiny forever walk a PhD with me. She's over there to hold it down and all the hold alive. People talking about I know you all to feel alive. I said I changed the light because the light is where I vibe. I vibe is over here. Some people saying they wanna ride. They wanna ride it over here, but still I'm rock the crowd. The crowd is over here. The Santa J is getting wild. So now that you getting wild, what you gonna do? So yes, I'm over here to send that. Yes, I keep it true. So when I keep it true, then I keep it to myself. Some people telling me the but I'm still not going there. So when I'm going there, some people said I hold it up. So still I'm over here and I want to bust it up. I want to bust the people and I want to spread the love. The love from me to everybody get on love. We circle all around it and we say we in your town. Some people telling me that do you even know me now? I'm rocking over here and I'm rocking with my flow. I'm also over here and I'm rocking with my bro. My bro was standing out and now you see I'm standing proud. People's over here to stand the J, I like your style. Dollar over here and it jabbing me so wow. People's over here and they going boom and pow. So paddle all the people and you paddle with these foes. Now you over here, the people said I wanna know. You wanna know about the people that they ride with you. But let me tell you, people, yes, I come in here for you. But still, I say the people say you love that purple light. Some people like the red and the black like every night. Some also love the green, and also love some other colors. The people talk about it say, oh yes, I love my brothers. I also love my sister, and I'm loving everyone. Some people over here to send a yes, I'm getting some. I'm getting some over here. I freestyle just for fun. I'm getting single all much as I do for everyone. So now I say your name and sing your name with my chest. Some people let me sing that all of y'all are the best.